Carbon with 3 bonds and a lone pair has a formal charge of -1 and is called a carbanion. Carbon with 4 bonds and no lone pairs has a formal charge of 0, while carbon with 3 bonds and no lone pairs has a formal charge of +1, and it is called a carbocation. Nitrogen with 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs carries a formal charge of -1. Nitrogen with 3 bonds and 1 lone pair carries a formal charge of 0, and nitrogen with 4 bonds and no lone pairs carries a formal charge of +1. And here are the formal charges for oxygen. Oxygen with 1 bond and 3 lone pairs carries a -1 formal charge. Oxygen with 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs carries a 0 formal charge. And oxygen with 3 bonds and 1 lone pair carries a +1 formal charge.